Okay, everyone, so I have a regular t-shirt. This t-shirt is a medium, so the bigger the t-shirt, the better. You're gonna see me cut a section out, and if you're gonna do this for a small child, then you would just make a smaller, you would make a smaller section. So I'm gonna go about, and I have a cutter, guys. I have this cutter here, my paper cutter, but if you don't have one of these, scissors will do just fine. Scissors will do just fine. So, let's see. And as a matter of fact, you know what? I'm not even going to use that because I know a lot of you guys don't have it. But I will use it just to measure. I think I'm going to go about that wide. Let's see. Not that wide. So I'll just use my scissors and I'll cut a section off. You're going to see me cut a section off. And I know my line is not going to be perfect, but I'll try to get it as straight as possible, and I hope I got it wide enough. And I'm going to try to make this just as simple as possible. Okay. So actually, since I already have that part cut, I need the straps. So I'll leave this, I'll put this to the side, and I'll use this material right here for the straps, because you are going to need straps. Now you will be using these straps to tie this mask around your head, so you don't want to make them too thin. They don't have to be really, really thick, but they don't have to be really, really thin either. All right, so there's that. I'm going to stretch it, and then I'm just going to cut down the center. I'm sorry, cut down the center. So there's the straps. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut a wider part. So I'll probably start here. I'll probably cut it about this wide. Sorry. And remember, guys, this is my first time doing this method. So as you guys are watching, and maybe you're going to follow along and see I got it crooked. All right, I'll try to save that. As you guys are watching and probably are going to try to follow along, I'll get this worked out. Okay, I'll just pull that. All right, so here you have this. So you have this section. You have these two pieces. And just take it at the end and cut one side. Go to the other end and cut the other side. Okay, so now you have a piece like this, right? Pull it. Okay. So this is a little more narrow than what I wanted, but it doesn't matter because I'm just going to use this. Is this a little bit wider? Yeah, well. So basically now, this is going to be really fast. You take your straps, you put them about 4 inches, maybe about 4 inches into the center. This is going to be your center right here. So you take the other strap and you're going to put it here. Now, we're going to do this with the filter. So this is the filter. And if you have a mask as your guide, which is, hold on. If you have a mask or even just a rectangle, something you can use as a square as your guide, then you can go ahead and open that and place it in and just cut around it. All right, just cut around it. If you don't have one, then just think about eyeing it as far as a rectangle. And this is going to be our filter. Remember, I said this video was not going to be perfect. It's my first time doing it this way. So that'll work. Okay, so see? So we have that. So now, move these out the way. What you're going to do now is you're going to fold this in. So you're going to fold in this side, okay? And you're going to fold in this side, and you can let them overlap, all right? You have the top of your mask, you have the bottom. So tie this. This is going to be your top. So tie this. And I'll show you guys how to put it on. So you've gotten to this part, right? You've tied that. So take the middle. Hold it. Remember, it's double lapped. Take the middle. Well, actually, I'm going to do mine a little bit different. Put it on your head. So that would be that part. And now take the bottom and just tie it. Oh, good fit. Go me. Okay, now take the top. Pull it down some. And you can adjust this. And this is so comfortable. I didn't do too bad for this to be my first time. Nice. All right, so you can tie that. And now just adjust it to where it feels good for you. Move my hair. So you want it wider, you can widen it. See, you just pull it this way. If you want it to bunch up, then you can have it that way. But that's it, guys. Now you have made your own mess. I just have it tied like this. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. And I will see you guys next time.